What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. With gold being back to all-time highs and dollar index at 103.8 odd levels, yeah, it made that high. What can we expect this specific week? Let's quickly find that out. So as usual, we will begin our analysis with the dollar index itself. So if we go on a weekly time frame, we did react very nicely from this specific imbalance that we had marked, right? After this reaction, let's go on a daily time frame. We also managed to close very, I would say, nearly bearish. So I'm expecting this specific week, DXY could show us a nice pullback, maybe up to at least until 103 odd levels, 103, 103.2 odd levels. And then if we fail to hold this specific zone, then in my opinion, we can see a further crash on the dollar index. Right, so I would want dollar index to protect this only if we are expecting a bullish DXY, right? So that's pretty much it. Let's look at GBPUSD. So as we saw on the dollar index, we look pretty much very clear for a down move, right? At least a short one. So similarly on GBPUSD, based off the daily time frame and also the weekly time frame, we did not manage to close below this structure, right? Which is in a way it is a healthy sign if you are bullish on the pound dollar, right? So temporarily looking at the dollar index, that picture pretty much tells us that you can expect a good pump on the on the pound dollar. Approximately these levels they should hold, and you should see at least this high 1.3 and 1.31 odd levels to be hit very soon. All right, so that would be a decent 1:2 1:3 trade on the pound dollar. So that's pretty much what I would be looking for as market opens. Let's go to Euro USD. So Euro USD, if we go on a daily time frame, clearly you can see that this is weak in comparison to the pound dollar, right? So here you can look for shorts. That would be much more lucrative to just wait for the right opportunity and look for shorts. So on a 1 hour time frame, I think this is a pretty good zone to look for some shorts on the euro dollar. If we fail to hold this and we break this, then I think we can potentially head as high as this specific level, 1.0908 odd levels, right? So this would be a very good, very important level for me on the euro dollar. Finally, let's take a quick look on gold. So gold, again, we've closed all-time highs, 272122 odd level. Weekly time frame very bullish. Daily time frame, I am very certain that this low will be taken out. And let's go on a 4-hour time frame now. So from the previous analysis, I think you guys remember that this was basically the last opportunity that if gold really had to turn bearish, then it is this zone from where you can expect a downfall, right? So the same zone should now act as a support zone, and you should see gold taking support of these levels and continue higher for a new high, right? So let's drop further on a lower time frame, and temporarily based on the 15-minute structure or a 30-minute structure, I would want this specific level or this specific zone to hold price for a further new high. Intraday, I would turn bearish if we break below this low, and I would definitely look for shorts from these levels to target anywhere around 2676 or 2666 odd levels. Right, so my bias is very simple. Overall we are 100% very bullish, but temporarily I think Monday could be bullish to bearish day, or Tuesday could continue the bearish momentum, and after forming the weekly low on Tuesday, you could see a bullish move on Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe even Friday for that matter, right? That is it from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.